I have McKenna and Shay? And McKenna and Shay, you're going to start over here. Can I have Michaela and Talon? Can I have Aubrey and Jordan in? Michaela, Talon right here. Aubrey and Jordan in right here. Excellent. Can I have River and Andrew? Did you get that Band-Aid taken care of? Perfect. Okay, right here by River. Can I have Leo and Diana? Thank you for pushing your chair in so he can get by. Perfect. And Elizabeth and Tucker? Can I please have Kat and Brooklyn? Can I have Blake and Logan? You're going to be in our center partner group. Right here. Thank you for being careful with your body. And can I please have Damon and Jordan View? You're going to be in our center partner group. Sit on your bottoms. Can I have Cooper and Trinity? You two are going to sit right here. And Jackson and Hunter sit in front of your desks. And remember, Ola's going to join you when he comes back from his break. Trinity, right by Cooper. Perfect. Sitting up tall. Thank you. That way we have space when I pass out the materials in a little bit. First of all, everybody say algorithm.
Algorithm.
Remember yesterday hardly anybody had heard that word before. Who remembers the word I said yesterday when we said algorithm? Jordan M. Oh, I thought I saw you mouth it. Everybody say process.
Process.
Very good. Now, the final meaning, hang on, hold your thought. The final meaning of algorithm is a step by step. Everybody say that.
Step by step.
Solution or process. Say that.
Solution or process.
So, for example, yesterday we started looking at the algorithm for adding two-digit numbers.
But something is not going to work too.
So that was the step-by-step process when we needed to regroup and record it in a certain way. So eyes up here. Everybody say algorithm.
Algorithm.
Everybody, when I say algorithm, you say process. Algorithm.
Process.
Algorithm.
Process.
Okay, eyes on me. Our goal today is to be able to write the addition algorithm. Tell your neighbor what the goal is.
I didn't have no time to know what you were saying.
Hunter, tell me what our goal is. Do you need time to talk to your partner again? Okay, whisper to your partner. I'm going to call in one more person. I'll come back to you, Hunter. Jordan M., what's our goal?
I didn't really have time to talk to you.
Okay, back to your partners. Heads back together. Oh, I heard so many people saying it. Let's see. Hunter, let's go back to you. Okay, Aubrey, your turn. And then Hunter, listen very carefully.
We didn't really say anything. I didn't have time to say anything.
Kat,
How did I add it?
what's the goal?
When you have to add, I get better at adding.
Right, so we want to write the addition algorithm. Everybody say that.
Write the addition algorithm.
Now, turn to your partner and tell your partner why this is an important thing to learn. want you to tell me what your prediction is. Why is it important to learn that? Shay, why is it important? To help you learn new problems and be able to solve hard problems. Thank you. And Shay's right. We want to be able to solve problems with harder numbers.
We need to be better than 10th graders.
Yes, we do need to be better than 5th graders. Isaac, here, I have a problem that we're going to solve. When the problem comes up, I want you to read the problem silently in your head. Logan? When the problem comes up, you're going to read it silently in your head. And then we will read it together. You're looking at the problem, you're reading it silently in your head. Okay, eyes up here, let's read it together. The name is Miguel. 1, 2, 3. Miguel was doing an art project. He used 27 inches of string. Then he used 53 more inches of string. How many inches of string did he use in all? Logan, show me how to sit like a 2nd grader. Talk to your partner about what this problem is asking us to do.
I'm right here, Jordan. 70.
Oh, Leo, thank you for giving me the quiet signal. Raise your hand to tell me what you and your partner discussed. Blake, what did you and your partner discuss? How many inches does he have in all? And that's the question that we're trying to answer. Who can tell me another piece of important information from our problem that we need to circle? Elizabeth. Okay. Okay, and then we have 53 more inches also. Now, you're going to put your heads together with your partner again, and you are going to figure out the equation that we are trying to figure out. I want to write our beginning of our number sentence. Heads together. Thank you. Now we're going to be doing the equation. Who was talking nicely with their partner?
Yeah.
Jordan, can you tell me the equation? We're looking at 27 plus 53. Now,
I want to sit.
sit down by your partner, please.
I want to sit.
Then you can go to your desk and join us from there. Your partner's going to need help in just a minute, though.
Yeah.
That's your choice. Who has an estimate of what they think the answer might be close to? Shay. What do you think it might be close to? Close to 80? Helen, what do you think it might be close to?
Close to 70.
Okay. Hands down. Hold your hands with your partner while I pass out materials.
I'm going back this year. I'm going back.
You and your partner are going to work together to model 27 plus 53. So, remember our addition maths from yesterday. You will show 27 at the top, and then you will show 53 in the middle, and we will work together combining those. Jordan, you are doing an amazing job.
Wait, isn't the answer 80?
Start. Okay, you need to scoot by your partner so there's room. And Aubrey, you need to sit by Jordan M.
Could you scoot over, River? Because I don't have any room. Thank you.
Nice words, Aubrey.
Okay, so we're going to put ones here. All the ones will go here, here, and we put pins here. No, wait. We put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So we're going to put 6 here. 5, 6, and 10 here. We put 4 pins I'll do the 10. Okay, if we do a 50, so that's 10 sticks. 1, 2. Now we're doing here. I give you some. Okay, I give you some.
Nice job. So I see that most of the mats are showing 27 at the top, and most of the mats are showing 53 at the bottom. If you and your partner need just another second to finish filling that in, please take the time to do that. Now, we are going to now combine our ones, because when we do the addition algorithm, we combine our ones.
Ones to the 10s.
Ola, thanks for joining us.
Mrs.
I'll
Martin.
to your partner. Remember, you're working with Jackson and Hunter right over here. Right there.
Mrs. Martin.
Do we have enough ones that we are going to be able to trade them for a 10 stick? Raise your hand to tell me. Raise your hand if we are going to have enough ones to trade for a 10 stick. Hands down. Show me how to do that. Move all of them to the bottom.
Okay, so
And then we will
first
trade.
you have Miss Martin's. First you have a ones, but you're gonna be 10.
So show me what to do now, Andrew.
Miss Martin's. If there's like oh my god. If there's like
So we have 10.
Look at Andrew and then look there. Look at Andrew. He's weird. Yeah, white side.
Now we're going to take those lines. Right here at the top. Here, we're going to do those right to you. You take them back to your partner. Take the bottom. Okay, now take all of your ones and trade them for the 10 and put that extra 10
I already
in
traded
there.
for 10, man.
Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Michaela. So, your hands should be off your manipulatives, and you now should have no ones left on your mat. Your mat should look like mine. Because
Who
you have,
needs ones?
we took the ones and we traded for a 10 stick. So what we did,
Every traded it.
we have no ones left and we added a one up here. Now, tell your
So-
partner, eyes on me.
Watch this, guys. There's that.
I know that this is so hard to keep our hands off our manipulatives, but I want you to tell your partner, what is 10 plus 20 plus 50? Tell your partner, 10 plus 20 plus 50.
10 plus 29.
Thank you, Talon. Raise your hand and tell me what you and your partner said. Leo, what did you and your partner say?
And then we
Plus 20 plus 50 is
80.
80. Good job, Leo. So, class, count by tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So now we have 8 groups of 10. Eyes up here. Clear your mats and fold your hands. We have one more problem to work through. Oh, excellent job, Shay and McKenna. Excellent job, Talon and Michaela. Jordan, thank you. Nope, you don't have to put them in the bag. We have one more problem.
Yes.
You don't have to, but we do need our boards cleared. Here's our next problem that we're going to look at. Thank you. We need to read the problem quietly in our own heads. I should see your eyes up there. Read the problem to yourself. Read it to yourself. Okay, let's read the problem together. 1, 2, 3. Someone almost stepped on little Spider. She was so scared she ran to the nearest tree. She crawled 59 centimeters up the side of the tree. Then she crawled 28 more centimeters to the nearest branch where she could rest. How many centimeters did she crawl in all? Raise your hand to tell me the important information from this question. Michaela. 59 centimeters. 28 more centimeters. And Aubrey, what are we trying to figure out? How many centimeters she crawled in all. Thank you. So, tell your partner what our equation will be. Tell your partner what our equation will be. Okay, let's see. Kat, what's our equation? Ask your partner. Thank you, Kat. That was kind of hard to hear, but you said 59 plus 28.
Is that R?
Now, raise your hand if you have a prediction what that will be close to. Logan, what's your prediction? You predict 70? Okay, work with your partner to build those two numbers. Oh, look at you guys, that's part of the game. You knew what I was going to ask, didn't you?
Okay, we're good. Then I'll put the ones
Okay, I'll put the chair in just a moment. Good work.
How many more do you need there, Cooper? 28.
Nice job. I see almost all partner groups have 59 and 28. Now, let's take all of our ones and we are going to move them to the bottom. And when you move them to the bottom, see if you can fill in the full 10.
We definitely
In just a minute, okay?
But we're still going to need those to show. I really want to put them.
Oh, thank you for moving all the way to the bottom. Trinity, your guys look amazing.
Yeah, we're done.
Nice. Class, yes or no, do we have enough to trade for a 10 stick?
Yes.
Yes. Take off that 10 and add the 10 stick to the top. And then you can see how many ones you have left. Class, tell me how many ones you have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get that right. 6, 7. I shouldn't do things upside down. And we made an extra 10. Now, give me 5. Our bell's doing a lot of work out today. Give me 5. Now, everybody all at once, tell me how many groups of 10 do we have now? Ready? 8 groups of 10 makes 80. Good job. Okay. I would like you to show me how quietly you can clean up and go to your seats. And I'm looking to give out team points to teams that are ready. Move quietly. Everything goes to the table just like yesterday. Everything goes to the table just like You're right, you need to change your. Go sit down at your desk.
Because you said
Go sit down at your desk and you're gonna walk this way. Almost. Go sit down.
stop it.
I'm looking to see which table you follow directions.
Yeah, you are
Your
doing it
bottom
now.
is on your chair. Your
Stop.
bottom is on your. I saw two table groups following directions. Silver team, you did a nice job. And I saw the blue team do a nice job.
And I saw the red team do a bad job.
Andrew, that's a warning. That's not appropriate. Now, eyes up here. $65 plus 16. Put your heads together with your table group and tell me, I want you to tell me a story problem to go with that equation.
That's what we get.
Can you tell me a story problem for 65? Raise your hand to share the story problem you and your table came up with. Elizabeth, tell me the story you and your team came up with. Thank you. So you had 65 balloons and you got 16 more. How many balloons do you have in all? And Jordan, tell me the story problem you guys came up with.
I had 65 pancakes and 16 cookies. How many do I have now?
Very nice. Now we are going to record this on a paper that has the tens and the ones chart. So your job right now is going to be to put your name on top of your paper, and we are going to work together to record the addition algorithm together. I will use the blocks, but you're going to do the writing this time. Put your name on the top.
That's silly, though. I'll do everybody else like chocolate.
So I'm going to put your name on the top.
Even though the smell's gone. Smell's gone. It failed on me.
Sit down on your bonnets, please. Sit down on your bonnets. Okay, eyes up here. If we are adding 65 plus 16, please record that number sentence in the top boxes. By number one, the first box, 65 plus 16, just like I have it right here, where we have the tens and the ones. Record it nicely. Now, just in case some of you are confused about the boxes, you would record it like this. 65 plus 16 in the boxes. Now, who can tell me what my first step is.
5 plus 1 is
Do I do the ones or I do the tens?
10.
Elizabeth. Do I do the ones or do I do the tens?
1.
Ones. I do the ones first. So if I drop down my ones,
Equal 10. 85, 11. 8 equals 11.
give me a thumbs up. Do I have enough to trade for a 10?
Yeah.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Up.
Thank you. So I can take these and trade for the 10. And I'm going to put another 10 up here. So go to your paper. And now we have 1 left in the ones column because we had 11. And our 10 is going to go up here in the tens column. Record it on your paper. Now we need to add up our tens. Count by tens with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So now we record that. We have 81 is our sum. I'm looking to see that you have it recorded.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, get the sum recorded right here. The answer, remember we talked about that yesterday. Okay, your paper should look like this because we added another 10, and you can add it at the top, and we now have 81. So your paper should look like that. Now, go to the second box, and write down 48 plus 26 in the second box. 48 plus 26.
Should I put 4?
And I'm going to record it on the side here because I'm going to show it with our cubes. 48 and 26. Give me a thumbs up if you think we are going to have enough ones to be able to trade.
Yeah.
Hands down. I saw a lot of thumbs go up. Okay. How many ones are we going to have all together when I drop them down?
1,200,000. No, it's 20. 18. 10. 13.
Oh, so close.
74.
It is 14. But we can't go to the 10 yet because I haven't traded my 10, so I don't have 7 10s yet. I still have 6. So now let's record those that we have 14, and I'm going to take away, drop them down. Now I have 7. So let's record the answer on your paper. Record the sum.
Oh, what shot?
So now you should have the regrouping of the 10 at the top and the sum recorded. Elizabeth, your paper looks fantastic. One more. I would like you to record 73 plus 28. 73 plus 28 on your paper. Raise your hand to tell me how to build 73. Blake. How many 10s? Thank you. And Blake? what did you say for the ones? 3. And raise your hand to tell me how to build 28. Jordan, you.
2 times 6 and 8 ones.
Okay, now let's drop down our ones. You can count in your head to see how many ones we end up with when we add the 8 and the 3.
11. 13. It's 11.
What do we have, everyone? 11. Thumbs up if I can trade for a 10. Hands down. Good job. Now we'll trade for a 10. Now, go to your paper and record what we did.
My dog
We had 11, and we regrouped for the 10. So now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's 100.
It is 100. So we need to go to the hundreds column. Right there.
101.
101.
I knew it. I knew it.
Was that your prediction?
Yes.
Oh, I have a question. I was talking about where he worked at actually, and he wants to get
Well, what is this?
my sister's favorite color.
Class, you have one more task for me to do. Hold your hands and show me you're ready. You have one more task for me to do. Are you ready, Jordan? You? I am going to write one more problem, and you are going to write a quick story problem to go with it, and you're also going to then solve the problem on the bottom. So here you go. On the bottom of your paper, please record 47 and 19. Your job is to think of a story problem and write it on your paper and then solve the addition problem. 47 plus 19. Write down a situation where you would add together 47 and 19. My personal favorite is problems with food. Shouldn't make too much work.
It's like,
Okay, write down the problem, and then I want a quick little story to go with it. I had. Ooh, I have 47. I see a lot of students starting with I have 47. When you're finished, you can put your paper in the basket and get a book out to read quietly, and we will actually have time to do rocket math before we go to lunch. But show me you're ready for that by having a book in your hand. Ooh, look at that nice handwriting. There are 47. 47 what, Aubrey? Ooh, I surely hope it's not 47 kids in one class.
No.
Thank goodness.
Taking
47. And then are you gonna get some more? Write it down. And who gave them to you? Your mom. Yeah, it's C-K-I-N-G. Don't forget to find the sum at the bottom. Write your story problem to go with the problem. So that I have 47. you need help recording it? Got me to write down two else for you? Oh, that was the L problem from earlier. Buying, like, paying money for something is being you buy. I like how you say that.
No, not like that.
Damon.
Like that.
Don't tape David.
Show me you're ready for rocket math, right?
Hi.
Having it look in front of you when you're finished with your paper.
Hello. Give or give?
I'm doing yoga. Look at the days, counting my toes. 12 and 15.
Nice work.
The days, counting my toes.
What a nice friend, Jackson.
It is kind of
Are you about finished? Because your classmates are wanting to move on to rocket math. Finish up your problem.
Go put your hand up me in the video.
Hold on, come here for a minute.
Wait, I'm gonna be in the video. Oh boy.
Tell me about your problems. Turn it in, you're done.
HD 70.
What problem are you finishing up?
My name's Logan. Hi, Duncan.
C-L-O-R.
big enough.
Look at you. I'll put this away if you put it away.
Ben said
Oh yeah, that's all.
Aubrey. Hey, can I please have you clear off your desk and fold your hands? I'm looking for teams that are following instructions. Okay, eyes up here. Cooper, I need that paper in the basket. When you added the ones, raise your hand and tell me what happened. What happened, Hunter? We had to trade for a 10. So what was 7 plus 9, Hunter? 16. So when you traded for a 10, and I saw a lot of students write that, you ended up with an extra 10 up here. So, River, how many 10s did you have now? How many? 6. Good job. And I saw that on almost everybody's paper. Good job. Okay. Go ahead and use your time. We're going to do rocket math quickly. Start practicing around the outside. We're not using